I have here the original Firestick, over 14 years old. And today we're gonna find out if you can still stream on it, sideload it, and how operational it really is. The reason why I wanted to make this video is pretty simple. A lot of you probably have Firesticks that are a year, 2 years old. Well, what's gonna happen 10 years from now and Amazon stops updating it? Will it still be functional? The answer to this should be hell yes. Subscribe. First thing really briefly is the OG unboxing experience. And it's crazy to me that the original Firesticks were so much smaller than pretty much any of the models. Like, look at the size of this thing. Little power port right there. You have your HDMI. Well, let me get the original. So here is a Firestick Max. Here is the brand new HD version that's a little bit slimmer. And here is the original. So yeah, definitely was the smallest model overall. Then you have your original remote right here. Pretty straightforward. You have directional keys, a couple buttons, no shortcuts, your power cord, and your power port. You didn't even get an HDMI extender. All right, let's go plug this thing, boot it up, and see what we can do on it. So now we just have to log into our Amazon account. This is gonna be infuriating with this remote. It's so bad. Hopefully this works. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and start the process. It's doing a network speed test. Wait. What is this saying? I don't have audio. Oh no, what is this?
Performance, please use the power adapter that was included. Fire TV Stick lets you stream remote.
You guys can hear the audio, but I can't, by the way.
It's really of movies and TV episodes from Netflix,
movies,
Amazon Instant Video.
Okay, I can actually skip it, I think.
Hello,
It brought me back to the same thing. I'm gonna skip ahead and see if I can get past here. Oh my god, look at these old ads. Amazon Alexa now on Fire TV. Let's see what loads up here. This is gonna be an important test here. So home screen, not loading, okay. Well, first let's go into settings and I wanna check out a few things. For one, so they have a My Account, that's just gonna allow us to register, deregister. Let's go to System here. And I wanna actually look at our storage. So if we scroll down, oh, they have a developers option. Interesting. Apps from unknown sources. Okay, this is important. We're gonna get back to that when we try to sideload. But let's head to, I don't see, maybe it's in the About section. Okay, here we go. So storage, it looks like we have about 5 gigabytes left. Fire TV Stick. It's very hard for me to read some of this, but it looks like it's running 5.0.61. It is up to date. Oh. Nope, there's an update. Okay, we're gonna let it do its update first, and then we'll come back. Okay, our update is completely done. It does not look like our home screen is working, but let's go ahead and head back to apps. Now we're gonna try a few apps here right away, but just for settings, it looks like pretty much everything is very similar. Obviously this loads extremely slow. So you can see we have the App Store, we can manage our installed apps. I want to see like what did it look like to clear cache here. So if we click on like Amazon Music here, oh yeah, there's a clear data and a clear cache and a force stop. So very similar. Okay, let's just install some apps. That's what we want to test here. Can you really still use this? So we're gonna head to the App Store. Okay, let's install a few different ones. So kind of weird freebie still shows there. That's kind of funny. Okay, we're gonna go to the movies and TV section, hopefully just install like Netflix and maybe Tubi TV kind of thing. Okay, Tubi TV right there. Let's start by installing this one. We're gonna download it. This might take a few minutes, by the way. Not the fastest device in the world here. And you can see it even has the most updated version, July 28th, 2026. So it's not like this is installing a previous older version. It should look the same anyways. I don't know, we'll find out. Now, while that's installing, I'm gonna click back and we're gonna do the same to hopefully try to find Netflix here and maybe YouTube. It's weird because I don't see a search option, which is kind of annoying. I found the search bar instead, so we should be able to find YouTube here. YouTube, hopefully this works. Is there no YouTube on this? Wait, what? Okay, it has to have Netflix though, right? I'm pretty sure it would have had Netflix back then. I can't watch YouTube on an old Fire Stick? Where is Netflix? Am I crazy here? Okay, Netflix shows are showing up under the movie and TV show section, but the app isn't. So what happens when I click on the show? Watch with Netflix, open app. Is it already installed? Is that why? Okay, well, Netflix is here now. I don't know why I couldn't find it in the App Store. It looks like we're able to install it. I can't install it. Oh my God, okay. Can we get Downloader on this? Actually, that's an important application. Let's see if we can install Downloader. Okay, Downloader's here. Okay, so we can see if we can install Kodi as well. That'll be my goal. Let's see if it actually installs here though. Download failure. Nice, okay. So what is going on here? Now, if we go to our apps, can I use Tubi TV at the very least? Let's see. Well, it's still installing, so let's give it a few minutes here. This just isn't even installing right now. Okay, it just said Tubi TV loaded. So let's see if we can get it. It said installed. So let's get into our, let's see if we can play something here. Is it gonna load? This is the question. First of all, this is the slowest device I've ever used in my life. Maybe it ran faster back then. I don't see why it would run different anymore, but yeah, it's struggling. This was not the operating experience that anybody enjoyed, I can tell you that. Okay, here we go. No animation screen, but I'm gonna click watch as guest. Oh my God, the load speeds are crazy. It looks like Tubi though, so it's working. We're gonna try to load a movie here, although very slow and very laggy. It's definitely working. Let's see if we can load one of these movies here. Okay, I'm just gonna click a random movie. This is taking too long to scroll through this. I had to rage quit. It wouldn't even let me, it's not even letting me move around. I don't know why, if this has just become so bloated over time through updates. I'm gonna try YouTube one more time. But, oh yeah, right, YouTube doesn't show up. Let me go to Netflix. I don't know if the apps have just been updated too much where like, they're too bulky for it and now it just doesn't run. Oh yeah, I can't even find Netflix, right? Let's try Downloader one more time. Maybe because the other app was installing, that's why it wouldn't start the next download. So let's see if that changes at all. You can't even download half of these. Okay, so if we go to movies, it does show some movies here. Can I click on any of these? Oh, you can rent it. What happens if we watch trailer? Where is this going to take me? Yeah, I don't know, guys. I've literally spent an hour here. I know this video's been kind of sped up a little bit, but I've literally been recording for over an hour and a half. I cannot get anything to load. It's infuriating. And I think we have the answer to our question. You know, maybe new devices, the tech will stay long enough where you can still use them. But yeah, this is why we upgrade our device every 3 or 4 years. Tech does not necessarily stand the test of time. And in this case, of the first ever Fire Stick, it definitely did not. Subscribe to the channel, guys. This was... See you guys later.